Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change page name on Wix. So let's get started. So as of right now, as you can see, I have these pages right here, which are interior, general, and all of that. So for example, I want to change the name of interior. So I just need to head over to this pages and menu. Then from in there, I will be able to see the site menu, which I have this interior. So just click on these three dots right here. Then from in there, you should be able to see the option for rename. So click on that, and then let's rename it furniture. So click on done. Then as you can see right here, it will be renamed. So you can also do those not only on site menu, but also on blog pages and dynamic pages that you have. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to change page name on Wix. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!